Welcome back, folks. It is green on the equity market screen, but what's happening in the world of commodities? Manisha is here to tell us about that. Manisha, good morning. What's the one commodity that you're looking at now?
So now I'm looking at the raw materials, and we have seen further decline in many of these, including steel and rubber is what I'm looking at right now, where the global markets are now trading at a two-year lows, by the way. So it is China COVID breakouts, and this time around in big cities like Shanghai and Shenzhen, and that means there could be more lockdown restrictions coming in. That's weighing onto the markets. And then the markets also are reacting to the China auto sales for the month of September, while on year-on-year basis, there is a positive trend there, but on month-on-month, it does show a slowdown there as well. For Indian markets, this is the April to August trends until now. So while we have seen production increase, the consumption has been much higher and the imports have continued to gain up as well. In any case, India imports nearly 50% of its natural rubber requirements, and we have seen that trend pretty much go on there. When you look at the overall numbers on an year-on-year basis, those have been on the higher side as well. We continue, when you look at the rubber industry, we continue to look at the tire manufacturing sector, because 71% of total consumption when it comes to natural rubber does come in from the tire industry there. This is what we've done in last couple of years in sense of production and consumption, where you can see that the production is increasing, but not so much. But the consumption clearly is up by nearly 12% on an year-on-year basis there. When you look at the prices also, on a month-on-month and an year-on-year basis, we have seen a decline onto this one because the demand is yet to catch up from the automobile sector there. When you look at the overall prices in this year itself, we have seen them continue to decline as well. From 170 rupees per kg in the month of July, it has been a constant decline, and the last couple of months actually have been trading within that 147 to 150 rupees per kg. That is how the rubber prices are holding right now as well. Remember, we have seen an all-time high of nearly 238 rupees, 238 rupees per kg. That was in 2011. Since then, the rubber prices have not been able to come to those levels, and the markets do believe that because of higher tapping, lower demand, you could be looking at some further pressure continuing here.
Manisha, thanks very much for that. So that's rubber in focus. Well, the market's given up.